everyone. For my quiz creation, I use the tool Quiz Revolution. So here's the home page of the Quiz Revolution page. As you see, it gives you various options where you add the name of the quiz. It gives you the option to add a cover page of the quiz. You can either select to add one or to not add one. I did use a cover page as shown to the right, and you can also add an end page as well. Quiz Revolution is very customizable. You can customize either the button font, the question font, or any other font within your quiz, and you can also pick from the colors for the font as well. You can change your frame color, and you can also change your background color. So for my background on the cover page, every question I added an image to this blue background just to keep everything consistent. I thought the image gives more engagement and a nice touch as well. You can also pick when your statistics are shown. You can either show final results when finished, which is what I selected, and you can also show results after each question as well. And you can also choose to randomize question order, or you can have a more consistent order as well. So moving on from there, I will show how questions are added. So for my first question, I added what are the 3 major roles in Agile software development. So once you add your question here, you can pick from any question type whether you want it to be a multiple choice or open-ended. For the multiple choice format, what you do is you add all your selectable answers in the column here, and you click the checkbox for the correct answer. Now for each question, you have the ability to add an image or video. And it's very simple, so you can add the image as shown here. YouTube videos can be embedded, and you can also add text to each question as well. Also, which I thought was a nice touch, each question can be followed up with a follow-up for feedback. So what I did here was after each question, user will be shown with what the correct answer is and given a more detailed explanation about the correct answer. And I thought that this was cool to have as well. And also to add another question, you would click the button shown here, which will prompt you for adding a new question. Again, you can choose multiple choice or open-ended. And to delete that question, you would click on the delete button and the question would go away. And this would be the same for adding each question type within the quiz. Thanks everyone.